Hello there, my name is Daniel and I'm a game developer. Last week I joined the Brakeys Game Jam 2021.01 and this is the making of Escape. On Sunday the 14th of February the theme got revealed. And it was Stronger Together. After I knew the theme of the jam, I started brainstorming some ideas. Here are my ideas. My very first idea was a 3D low poly platformer, where one player can press a button, but together they are strong enough. My second idea was a tower defense game where you can combine towers. More towers combined into one single tower are stronger. Another idea has the same game core as my second idea, but with creatures instead of towers. The creatures have to defend the heart. My last game idea was a puzzle platformer with some story. The characters are too weak to escape the prison alone. They're stronger together. I first went with my first idea, of course, but after struggling to get the movement feel right because I'm familiar with 2D and not 3D, I throw this prototype into the trash. On Monday I started working on my last idea, the prison thing, so I made the movement, the player switching mechanic and spies. Nothing crazy, but it's a good start. On the next day I built the first corridor or level. Also I made a nice text fade animation for the story aspects, so it looks much nicer. Right after this I made a door with a button and lasers also with a button. So with this nice collection of assets I started building more levels on Wednesday and the days after this. On Friday I added the last polish to my game with some sound effects, screen shake, particles and more. Also I generated a nice soundtrack with accurate music maker. It's like AI or something. It's AI. And on Saturday, one day before the jam ends, I submitted Escape, my game, to the jam. After the jam, I did a nice trailer for the game. Watch it after this video if you want. Yeah, so that's it. That's a quick walk through my journey of making Escape. I hope you liked this much quicker devlog. So subscribe if you didn't already, like if you liked this video, dislike if you don't. Then join our Discord if you can, if the link works this time. It's very cool to hang out with this small game dev community yourself. Bye. See you in the next one.